Hi everyone, this is Tingting. Welcome to our weekly problem solving practice. Let's see how to solve this question. The integers 1, 2, 3 until 100 are written on a whiteboard. What is the smallest number of these integers that can be wiped off so that the product of the remaining integers ends in 2? Obviously, we can't use the numbers that are multiple of 5. Otherwise, the product must end with 5 or 0. So we can't use the numbers 5, 10, 15, 20 until 100. How many numbers are there? 100 divided by 5 equals 20. So at least 20 numbers should be wiped off. Then, how about the other remaining numbers? Since 1 doesn't affect the last digit, we only need to check 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9, focusing only on the last digit of the product. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 times 4 equals 24, ends with 4. 4 times 6 equals 24, ends with 4. 4 times 7 equals 28, ends with 8. 8 times 8 equals 64, ends with 4. 4 times 9 equals 36, ends with 6. After that, the following numbers are 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, and 19. And the last digit of the product is still 6. Then, the last digit of the product of all the listing numbers is the last digit of 6 times 6, which is still 6. Similarly, we can predict even if we continue multiplying all the remaining numbers up to 99, the product will still end with 6. But we want the product to end with 2. Since removing a number is like dividing the product by that number, we need to think, which number, if divided out, will make the last digit change from 6 to 2? It turns out that dividing by 3 works. Because the product must be a multiple 3, the sum of all the digits of the product also must be a multiple 3, then 6 divided by 3 can determine the 1st digit of the product, which is 2. So we should wipe off the number 3 as well. Together with all the multiples of 5, we need to wipe off at least 21 numbers. So the correct answer is option B.